Buenas. I am Hannah Rose Summers. I am a committed Christian who also happens to be passionate about science. Christianity addresses the question of the heart, and science addresses how that heart functions. In general, it is assumed that God and science are opposing forces. However, God represents faith, the substance of the unseen, while science has been physically seen and proved day by day throughout history, and still today. So how does one discover the correlation between God and science? The journey begins with the human body itself, more specifically, the human heart. The heart, accompanied by miles of blood vessels and a vast array of blood cells, is a complex and masterfully created machine. Each ventricle and atrium of the heart pumps in a synchronized rhythm thanks to the specialized pacemaker cells who send impulses throughout the membrane. All four of the heart's chambers pumps in their assigned pattern to assure maximum efficiency of circulation. Every one of 25 trillion red blood cells, less commonly known as erythrocytes, contains hemoglobin, a protein that binds particularly well to oxygen, allowing for quick and efficient dispatch of oxygen to each one of your stomach, brain, and skin cells. Once oxygen is delivered, the unneeded carbon dioxide is picked up by the very same blood cells on their way back to the heart for another circulation. Once the newly deoxygenated blood cells make it back to the heart, they are sent to the lungs to discard the CO2 and pick up more oxygen for another round. And this process happens again and again, every day, each blood cell trekking up to 12,000 miles a day. The absolute vitality of this system is blatantly apparent in how thoroughly the heart and its components are integrated into every other part of the body. Failure of the heart means a slow suffocation of every cell and organ. The way each system is fully dependent on the success of the other fulfilling its duty creates this perfectly designed machine. To me, a machine this intricately created desperately calls for credit to its inventor, the very God who formed the universe in which we dwell. You don't look at a tractor or a laptop and draw up the conclusion of an accidental fabrication. Why are our own bodies any different? My sources are in the description below. Thank you for your time. Buenas.